You can pause the video and solve it properly. Find out your answer and then check your answer with the given answer whether it is correct or not. What is the addition of greatest 2-digit number and smallest 2-digit number? Options are 89, 50, 109, 99. Option C is the correct answer. Write the addition statement for the following pictures. Observe the pictures carefully. Option C is the correct answer. Next question, find the value of question mark. In this picture, 3 numbers are present in the circle and 1 is in the triangle. The addition of 3 numbers in the circle is in the triangle. Options are 11, 10, 5, 8. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Find the difference between greatest and the smallest number from the given numbers. 265, 832, 546, 492, 680. Options are given. The correct answer is 567. Next question. I am more than 2 plus 3 but less than 10 minus 3. Who am I? Options are 6, 5, 7, 8. Correct answer is option A. Next question. If triangle plus circle equals to 48 and triangle equals to 16, then the value of circle is dash. Options are 32, 16, 18, 21. 16 is the correct answer. Next question. Sanskar wants to choose a chocolate whose number is 40. Which chocolate will he choose? Options are 30 plus 12, 56 minus 14, 62 minus 22, 36 minus 15. Correct answer is option C. Dash groups of 6 is equal to 48. Options are 5, 8, 9, 6. Correct answer is option B. Next question. Saili collected 420 stickers. She gave 30 stickers to Swapnali. How many stickers are remaining with Saili? Options are 390, 450, 430, 460. Correct answer is option A, 390. Next question. Identify the correct descending order. 3 tens plus 20 plus 20 tens. Second, 40 tens plus 150 ones plus 30 ones. Third, 30 tens plus 0 ones plus 12 tens. Fourth, 39 tens plus 120 ones plus 5 tens. Options are given. Correct answer is option D. Next question. 4 boys shared 12 balls equally among themselves. How many balls did each boy get? Options are 3, 4, 6, 7. Correct answer is option A. Next question. In a field there are 14 cows, 5 dogs, 17 sheep and 7 hens. How many total animals are there? Options are 40, 43, 44, 42. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which number must be subtracted from 199 to get the answer 98? Options are 100, 99, 101, 102. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Which is the correct subtraction sentence for the given picture? Observe the pictures carefully and find out your answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. There are 30 children in a class. Each child has 3 pencils and 2 erasers. How many more pencils are there than eraser in all? Options are 150, 90, 30, 60. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Sanskar wants to divide 42 strawberries in 6 boxes. Each box will have dash strawberries. Options are 7, 8, 5, 9. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which addition problem shows that 72 minus 46 equals to 26 is the right answer? Options are given. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following gives the greatest odd number as the answer? Options are 48 plus 17, 98 minus 23, 44 plus 39, 75 minus 12. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to box into 5. What is the value of box? Options are 6, 5, 7, 4. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Shravani has 5 boxes. Each box has 7 chocolates. She gave 12 chocolates to Saili. How many chocolates are left with Shravani? Options are 35, 30, 32, 23. Option D is the correct answer.